Hey friend, today I'll teach you how to use Claude Code to create viral Instagram videos that get a lot of views and help you generate sales afterwards. So here's a simple system that I've built using Claude Code, and here's how it works. On the left side we have all of the materials for the video, like visuals and audio files. You're just dumping here everything that you want the video to contain. Then in the middle part, you're just explaining how you want the final video to look like. Simple instructions. And finally, on the right side, you're getting the final edited video with any sort of B-rolls and motion graphics that you want. And the coolest part about this system is that you don't have to explain every single visual on the left side. AI will actually analyze every single piece of footage, understand what is going on inside, and then it will be able to put it in the right place in the editing process. So you can literally just tell it, hey, make a beautiful video based on these materials, and it will do the work perfectly. So this tutorial will have 3 parts. First, I'll show you example videos that the system has made for me. Then I'll explain how you can set it all up in less than 10 minutes without any technical experience. And finally, I'll walk you through the details like pricing and some pro tips in terms of how to get higher quality output. So let's dive in. So let's begin with the first part, where I'll show you actual video examples produced by this system. So in this case, I wanted to make a storytelling video about my trip from Dubai to Paris. So I actually collected a bunch of visuals telling the story, I added a few music files and a voiceover. And I told Claude to generate the video based on this voiceover. So just use it as a main storyline and stitch the visuals together so it kind of makes sense, so it is relevant. And now check it all out. I am a 25-year-old AI software entrepreneur living in Dubai, and one day I felt a craving. I want to try living in Paris for a while. For no logical reason, it was just my heart guiding me, and on April 30th, 2026, I packed my suitcases. So you're kind of getting the idea. We don't need to see the whole video, but it perfectly matched the B-roll, the visuals, with the voice happening on the background. Of course, this example is kind of simple, like we're just using pictures, but you can be using any sort of videos. Claude Code will be able to transcribe it, understand what part of this specific video is relevant. It will cut everything else and include it in the final render. And here's another example video generated by the system. On the left side in materials, we provided just one thing, a link to a specific product. Let's quickly check it out. This is a landing page promoting a mobile app. And this mobile app helps people who are traveling across the world to track how many days they stayed in a particular country, where the visa is expiring, and how many tax residency days they have in what country. So Claude just scraped this website, took all of the materials, visuals and styles, and made a quick video ad for this project. So let me quickly show it to you. So as you can see, this is kind of motion graphics video. I'll move it into the middle of the video where we have kind of more interesting materials. Check it out. So as you can see, it took all of the screenshots and actual reviews from the website. It all was happening just from one simple prompt. Of course, you can make this video ad way more complicated, but you're getting the idea in terms of how much more efficient that is compared to hiring somebody or doing it all manually. Of course, this is not the level of quality of top-tier editors, but if you cannot afford it or if you do not have time, then this solution is so much better. And in the final section, we will discuss the pricing and you will understand how cheap that is. And in order to create a new video, you will simply press here, you will press new reel, then you will end up having this empty canvas, then you just add files on the left side. Let's say we want to add these files, so the visuals are uploaded, and then you're just telling the instructions. Let's say something simple. Hey, please make a beautiful video based on these visuals about my trip to Paris, analyze all the videos inside, analyze the visuals, stitch it all together, find some cool music on the web, and then produce the output. And just like that, you send this query, this prompt, then you press build, and then in the middle here, you will see the working process. So Claude will be showing you every single step of the work. You can see the progress. And with this type of video, if let's say it will be 30 seconds long, the process will take roughly 20 minutes or so. So it's not super fast, but you don't need to be sitting here and checking every single part of the process. You can go away and then come back, and then the result will be waiting for you while you were busy doing other tasks. And now we're moving into the second part of the video, where I'll show you how you can set it all up in less than 10 minutes without any technical experience. So I've prepared this web page with the whole instruction of the simple 5 steps that you need to go through in order to get started. The link will be in the description down below, so just open this web page and follow me. So the first step is to install Visual Studio Code. And by the way, all the first 3 steps, you only need to go through them if you've never used Claude Code. So this is made specifically for beginners. If you're fully non-technical, you will be still good to go. But if you already have Claude Code, then you can skip these steps and start with the step number 4, right? But I'll still quickly walk you through the first ones as well. So first one is to install the Visual Studio Code. This is this piece of software, basically the environment where we'll be running Claude Code. But don't worry, you don't need to understand all this technical jargon and stuff. You'll be just interacting with the system using simple, plain English. I promise you will be able to go through that very easily, right? So just open this link, then press to download the app, then obviously install it on your computer, and then you just follow these steps. Once the app is downloaded, great, then we want to get a plan with Claude. So if you have Pro plan, that's great, it's just $20 per month. By the way, we need some sort of a paid plan, otherwise we cannot run Claude Code. If you have higher tiers like $100 or $200, it's even better. You will be able to generate more videos, right? So let's say this is sorted, then we're going to the next step, which is to install Claude Code. So first you will open Visual Studio Code, and once you open the app, you will be on this kind of empty screen like I am right now, and then you will press terminal here on the top side, then you will press new terminal, and here you will need to execute this command. So just copy this command, paste it right here and press enter, and then it will be executed and you will have Claude Code installed on your computer. And then once you did that, you will have to press on terminal again, press new terminal, you will have another one, and here you will run this command called Claude to launch first Claude Code session. Then you have to say, yes, I trust this folder, and then as you can see, I am already logged in, but you won't be logged in at the beginning. You will need to log in with your account, so it will actually prompt you to do that. You'll just press enter, then you will log in within your browser, and then you will come back to the app, and then Claude Code will be fully connected. So on this note, step number 3 will be done. And then step number 4 is to basically let Claude Code to install this whole app that I've built for you. So you'll basically copy this prompt, go back to Claude Code, you'll basically paste it right here and then press enter. And once you do it, it will install everything and it will launch the app. That's it. The app will be launched. It will give you the link in order to use this link in your browser to open the app. In my case, as you can see, this is the link. It is localhost 4321, and then you will have the same link basically. And then you will have this interface and you can interact with it in the same manner, just adding files and materials on the left side, or you can start even without any materials. You can just tell in the middle to make some sort of motion graphic video explaining something, and then it will generate everything for you. And now we're moving to the third part of the video, which is about pricing and pro tips. So I will explain everything on the example of 1 minute video, because it's kind of standard size of a video for an Instagram reel. Of course, if you will have shorter videos, everything will be faster and cheaper. If you will have longer video, everything will be longer and more expensive, proportionately to the duration of the video, approximately, right? So with 1 minute video, it will usually take you about 30 minutes of work for Claude Code to actually do the work, to analyze all of the visuals, B-rolls, you know, like build these motion graphics and stuff. I know it's not very fast, but it does not matter because you can be busy doing other work while you do it. Literally, think about the system like your employee, your person who is doing video editing for you. You gave it instructions, then it went out and it's building the thing, it's doing the video editing, and then it's bringing you the result. It's showing you the output of the work. So if I go back to the platform right here, let's say I will open this reel about my trip to Paris. As you can see, we have multiple versions here. We have V1, V2, V3, V4. once the execution part is done, you will have the first version of the video. You will have V1. Then you can review it, give some more feedback. As you can see here, it is selected about V1, so it will see the current video. It will, grasp your feedback, adjust it, and then generate a new version. Then you get the V2. Then you can give some more feedback and then get V3. So just really look at it as an interaction and work with your actual employee, right? So usually one video takes 30 minutes of work and the price is roughly 50 cents per video. So it's really affordable. You don't need to pay for any sort of APIs. Everything is happening inside Claude Code. Under the hood, we're using the thing called Hyperframes from HeyGen. This is an open source framework, so it is free. The only thing that you're paying for is credits for Claude Code. But when you're using a subscription, you don't need to pay any sort of API credits. You're just using the usage of your subscription. So it's very, very straightforward. And here is some math depending on what plan you are in terms of how many videos you can generate per month. With the biggest plan, you can generate from 200 to 320 videos per month. This is roughly, approximately. Of course, every single video has different level of complexity. If it's $100 plan, then it's from 100 to 160 videos per month. And then if it's $20 pro plan, then it's from 20 to 32 videos per month. And I think maybe 3 to 5 videos per day, because we have daily quota and limits as well. And then in terms of the pro tips, number one that I want to recommend to you is to nail the style before you scale it. So literally, when you're working within this platform, you can tell it to edit first, let's say the first 5 seconds. Then you want to be fully sure that you're getting the right style, the right type of captions, the right type of music. In this case, let's quickly check it out. I'm a 25-year-old AI software entrepreneur. As you can see, I'm using a very specific type of font style right here. And I asked the system to give me 4 different variations, and then I chose the one that I actually liked. And to give you more idea about what type of flexibility the system has underneath, then you can press to this little button called what it can do, and here you will see all of the type of instructions and scenarios that you can go through, like a reel from photos, footage cut to music, captions on talking head, so motion graphics, and of course the system has a ton of templates under the hood, so it can use different styles, different fonts. And for that reason, I highly recommend to you that you first nail the style and only then you scale it. The second pro tip is to save the style and instructions as a skill. So when I go back right here, let's go back to this Paris reel example. Then, as you can see, we have this button called Save This Style. So what this means is that once you finished working on a particular video, you edited this video, then you can press on this button and it will fully understand the type of fonts, the type of motion graphics, the type of visual kind of vibe that you're going after. It will save it, and then you'll be able to use this same style later on down the line, just by telling it right here. Okay, the next pro tip is that it takes iterations, like with a human editor. So as I told you before, don't expect to get the perfect result on the first shot. You will review it, probably you will want to improve it in some ways, then you just leave it some sort of textual feedback, fix these frames, fix this part of the video, and then it will walk through the everything all over again, and then it will generate the new version. And the coolest part is that once you nail the process fully, then you save it all as a style, and then you don't have to repeat yourself all over again. And the final pro tip is that whenever you're stuck, you can just ask Claude Code what is going on, or ask it to help you out or to fix something. So let's say you're stuck with something, you don't know how to use one of the styles that you've saved. You will just type right here, "Hey brother, can you please explain to me how I can use the saved styles in the app? How should I do it?" And then you just send this query, and then you wait for, let's say, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, it will give you the answer. You're just interacting with it using simple text. Any sort of technical issue, you don't even need to ask me in comments. Of course, do that if you want, but you can ask Claude Code and it will solve it for you. So that was it. Go ahead and grab the link down below with the whole instruction on how to set it all up. And if you enjoyed this video, check out another one prepared specifically for you.